Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we are going to crush some hair, and this is viewer request, so thanks for whoever asked this on our subreddit. We have here some real hair. This is meant to be used like cheating for girls. If you have like short hair but you would like to have long hair, then you can buy some poor people's hair and play that it's your own hair. And we tried to like pull this in two parts on our other channel, but as you can see, it's still in one piece. It is really hard stuff. Video is in description for that. And we are going to use our new Rockmaker 6 million for crushing this. So we are going to put this inside of that, and then we are going to crush it, and it has no way to escape. And I think we are going to have hard rock after this. And the Rockmaker 6 million is much better than 5 million, because I have these three parts here inside of the hole. So when we get the rock out, it's inside of the three metal pieces, and they will just like fall away, and the rock stays in perfect condition. Or that is the plan. Probably it doesn't go anything like that, but we will see soon. So now I'm going to just remove these attachment things from the hair, and then we are going to put it there and crush it. Yep, so there is only about 0.5 millimeter room for error on placement of the tool, so this is going to be pretty hard to get there. Yeah, now it's there, and then we crush. I think it didn't. What the fuck? Let's have a look. Doesn't look good. I didn't expect this to happen. This isn't rock. It's like, it's sand, hair sand. We have little bit of problems with the tool, or actually when you look, the whole tool is gone. It wasn't strong enough, because inside of the tool, the pressure raises up to this much, which is like sheet load. So the pressure just like spreaded this tool. I think we try to open the tool and have a look what actually happens there, but the pressure was just too much, even if there is like 1 inch thick steel all around the hair. Yep, and because we have still this amount of distance to go, I think we can push maybe the hair completely through and then worry about the tools later. So yeah, let's try that. Yeah, so the, holy shit! Look at the tool, it's in pretty bad shape. I think I have to still some development to do with the Rockmaker. Yep, so the diameter here is 102 millimeters, and here it's 108 millimeters. So it has spread quite a lot, and just because of the pressure inside, so pretty good. Ta-da! Here is the hair, and we don't have any rock kind of action going on, because this is so small and we had the huge pressure. This is probably the maximum amount that the hair can be crushed. If we put it just under this, then it will like just escape. So hair wins and the press lose, or actually the hair wins, press wins, and the Rockmaker 6 million loose. Yep, so the rock maker 6 million got destroyed, and we had still two things to test with it. Some sheet paper and salt, and the idea was to make like sheet paper rocks, but because that didn't work, we are going to use our frying pan maker 5 million against the sheet paper. So this goes here, and let's try to make sheet paper frying pan. Looks pretty good. I think it actually worked. Yep, and let's have a look. Oh, it's stuck. Time to flip it around. I use pressurized air to get it out. Ta-da! I think we have had a little bit too much of toilet paper. It's too thick. Yep, so the toilet paper is a bit hard material to shape into the frying pan, and also it's quite good heat insulator, so it's pretty bad idea anyways. But then we have the salt left, and I think I'm going to just pour some here, and then we are going to press. You can press salt into the rock, and I heard that if you use really much of pressure, it should be like transparent. But I think we have so big area here that the force that we are going to use isn't going to make enough pressure to do that. But let's hope that we can make like salt plate with the thing. I think this is pretty good amount. And the bottom plate is same shape as this one, so we should get like plate with these like edges that are going to keep the food on the plate. It feels quite hard. I try to push it out. Look! Ta-da-da! I think it's time to use the pressurized air one more time. The air comes through the salt. I can feel it with my hand. So I have to try to hammer it out. I think it's going to work. Oh, it's cracking. I think it's going to break. Oh! So close. We are only pretty stupid. We should have to see that coming. Yep, so today we tried to do 3 things and we failed on all of those. The hire didn't do shit, we just broke our tools. Toilet paper, it was just toilet paper, and we broke our salt plate. So pretty good. Yeah, but I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have this louse. It looks quite harmless, or actually it looks quite mean, and it can attack your hair at any moment and suck your blood, so we have to deal with it.